Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The second book of Samuel, chapter 9, verses 1 to 13, and chapter 10, verses 1 to 19:1, David said, "Is there yet any who is left of Saul's house, that I may show him kindness for Jonathan's sake?" 2. There was of Saul's house a servant whose name was Ziba, and they called him to David. And the king said to him, "Are you Ziba?" He said, "I am your servant." 3. The king said, "Is there not yet any of Saul's house, that I may show the kindness of God to him?" Ziba said to the king, "Jonathan still has a son, who is lame in his feet." 4. The king said to him, "Where is he?" Ziba said to the king, "Behold, he is in the house of Machir, the son of Ammiel, in Lo-debar." 5. Then King David sent and brought him out of the house of Machir, the son of Ammiel, from Lo-debar. 6. Mephibosheth, the son of Jonathan, the son of Saul, came to David, fell on his face, and showed respect. David said, "Mephibosheth?" He answered, "Behold your servant." 7. David said to him, "Don't be afraid, for I will surely show you kindness for Jonathan your father's sake, and will restore to you all the land of Saul your father. You will eat bread at my table continually." 8. He bowed down and said, "What is your servant, that you should look at such a dead dog as I am?" 9. Then the king called to Ziba, Saul's servant, and said to him, "All that belonged to Saul, and to all his house I have given to your master's son. 10. Till the land for him you, your sons, and your servants. Bring in the harvest, that your master's son may have bread to eat. But Mephibosheth your master's son will always eat bread at my table." Now Ziba had 15 sons and 20 servants. 11. Then Ziba said to the king, "According to all that my lord the king commands his servant, so your servant will do." So Mephibosheth ate at the king's table like one of the king's sons. 12. Mephibosheth had a young son, whose name was Micah. All who lived in Ziba's house were servants to Mephibosheth. 13. So Mephibosheth lived in Jerusalem, for he ate continually at the king's table. He was lame in both his feet. The second book of Samuel, chapter 10, verses 1 to 19:1. After this, the king of the children of Ammon died, and Hanan his son reigned in his place. 2. David said, "I will show kindness to Hanan the son of Nahash, as his father showed kindness to me." So David sent by his servants to comfort him concerning his father. David's servants came into the land of the children of Ammon. 3. But the princes of the children of Ammon said to Hanun their lord, "Do you think that David honors your father, in that he has sent comforters to you? Hasn't David sent his servants to you to search the city, to spy it out, and to overthrow it?" 4. So Hanun took David's servants, shaved off one half of their beards, and cut off their garments in the middle, even to their buttocks, and sent them away. 5. When they told David this, he sent to meet them, for the men were greatly ashamed. The king said, "Wait at Jericho until your beards have grown, and then return." 6. When the children of Ammon saw that they had become odious to David, the children of Ammon sent and hired the Syrians of Beth-rehob and the Syrians of Zobah, 20,000 footmen, and the king of Mesach with 1,000 men, and the men of Tob 12,000 men. 7. When David heard of it, he sent Joab and all the army of the mighty men. 8. The children of Ammon came out and put the battle in array at the entrance of the gate. The Syrians of Zobah and of Rehob and the men of Tob and Mesach were by themselves in the field. 9. Now when Joab saw that the battle was set against him before and behind, he chose of all the choice men of Israel and put them in array against the Syrians. 10. The rest of the people he committed into the hand of Abishai his brother, and he put them in array against the children of Ammon. 11. He said, "If the Syrians are too strong for me, then you shall help me. But if the children of Ammon are too strong for you, then I will come and help you. 12. Be courageous, and let's be strong for our people, and for the cities of our God. And may the Lord do what seems good to him. 13. So Joab and the people who were with him came near to the battle against the Syrians, and they fled before him. 14. When the children of Ammon saw that the Syrians had fled, they likewise fled before Abzai, and entered into the city. Then Joab returned from the children of Ammon, and came to Jerusalem. 15. When the Syrians saw that they were defeated by Israel, they gathered themselves together. 16. Hadadezer sent and brought out the Syrians who were beyond the river, and they came to Helam with Shobach, the captain of the army of Hadadezer at their head. 17. David was told that, and he gathered all Israel together, passed over the Jordan, and came to Helam. The Syrians set themselves in array against David and fought with him. 18. The Syrians fled before Israel, and David killed 700 charioteers of the Syrians and 40,000 horsemen, and struck Shobach, the captain of their army, so that he died there. 19. When all the kings who were servants to Hadadezer saw that they were defeated before Israel, they made peace with Israel and served them. So the Syrians were afraid to help the children of Ammon anymore. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about the second book of Samuel, chapter 9, verses 1 to 13, and chapter 10, verses 1 to 19. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.